Many thousands of you who have witnessed our gem cutting demonstrations and courses know of Connie's wire wrapping abilities through the years. But you may not know her other passion for making bonsai trees, which are now sitting in homes and offices all over the world. So we thought we'd bring you the entire process from beginning to end so you'd have the gift of this knowledge too. We begin with cutting of wires and twisting into the initial trunk. The trunk is then separated into the twisting of roots and then into the twisting of the individual branches. The branches are then twisted down into individual wires for leaves.
If you want your leaves to look in this shape, once you get them coiled up to look like a spring, which you can use a nail to wind your wire around, and then you're going to have to take your flat pliers and you'll squish these down each spring. And then you can take it and spread it apart, stretch them out a little bit, and then get the spine facing away from you so you can curl up on the spine to make your leaves. And then you shape them in the direction that you want to make them look like your bonsai.
Now, of course, the twisting of the wires into the leaves takes the most time. But after she has finished with this process and got all the individual wires done, the tree itself is complete. And now we're going to select a base. Now in this case, she selected a piece of antique china, Haviland china, but the base could be anything. She builds bases out of wormwood for some of the cascading bonsai trees, and other materials are petrified wood, driftwood, even small stones can be put into a base and form an attractive tree. And in the end, we'll photograph it in all different kinds of ways, and then it goes out into the world. And now you know, from beginning to end, the entire process for the making of wire bonsai trees. We wish you and your family the very best of luck going forward.